Hey guys, ready to look at some baby books from Usborne Books and More? This is Cuddly Kitty. There's also Happy Puppy. It doubles as a puppet, as you see. And it's a soft book. It's got a cute story about making Kitty do things like dancing. Kitty's loving to dance and take a drink. We love these. We also have our Hello Baby books. There are 4 of these. They're also soft cloth books with the rattle handle. So perfect for babies who are still loving to chew. This one is Spots and Stripes, but there are lots of different ones as well. They're adorable, and babies love to carry these around with a handle. We have some of our touchy-feely books for babies. This is the animal one. Every page has touchy-feely pieces on it. This is some of the first books that we used here in our house. Along with that, we have our touchy-feely playbooks. This is the colors one, which was well loved. This one has finger trails that you can follow across the page to teach baby left and right. And it also has some touchy-feely pieces, so like the tomato on the red, and it has a little beginning lift the flaps. Our That's Not My series is one of our most popular baby book series. This is That's Not My Unicorn. It's got repetitive text. This one is That's Not My Unicorn. Its mane is too fluffy. That's Not My Unicorn. Its ears are too soft. The ears feel soft. So you go through different pages, and at the end you find what is your unicorn with the sparkly horn. There are over 50 in that series. Certainly girls and boys, pets, all kinds of things, transportation. We also have wonderful fold-out books for babies. These are wonderful for tummy time. You can put them down and baby can look at the pictures on them. This is the animals one, but there are lots of different options as well. You can also stand them up like this, and baby can carry them around. So lots of things, multi-purposes for our fold-out books. We have slide and see books as well. These are good for younger babies to learn to operate the different slides on the different pictures. It's a cause and effect. Whee! It has simple text on it as well, but as they get to learn, some of the slides go up and down, some go side to side. This is the dinosaur one. We love it. There's the T-Rex, snap, snap. So, okay, we also have awesome rolly books. These actually roll on the ground. So this is the train one. There's a bus one, there's a tractor one. It's got a really cute story about the animals getting on and off. It's good for early counting, recognition of animals. And again, my son loves to just drive around the house. One of my absolute favorites is Animal Hide and Seek. I have to show this to you guys. It has all farmyard animals, lots of touchy-feelies on every single page. This one is perfect for counting as well, learning to count. There's only 1 cow in the barn. Where's Daisy? And then now you have 1, 2 cows. Again, there's so many pieces on every page that you can touch and feel. Here's the 3 sheep. There's only 3 sheep in the field. Where's Wooly? You can see the sheep are woolly. And then you open the flap and there's Wooly. He was hiding. You can count. Love, 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 love. The last one I wanted to show you guys is, this is our I Can Count. There's also a first word. These are mini books. They can double as blocks, so you can stack them. So there's My First 100 Words one. There's a couple of different like these, but you can build towers with them. This specific counting one is great for learning one-to-one correspondence. There's 4 dots. You can trace the 4 dots, and at the end, 4 and 1 more make 5. So it moves on up. Love those. All right. Hope you found a baby book that you or a loved one would enjoy.